All right, so far we got a good couple of feet of snow and a January Toronto, south of Etobicoke to be exact. Look at this. Holy crapola, eh? Winter wonderland. There's my truck. Monster time. Where do you want to put it?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Nice and easy.
Okay.
That's the way to do it. Might be used as a training video, you never know.
Oh.
Yeah, we watch as the fuel goes in to make sure we don't go over top.
Okay.
Okay, good. There you go. Thank you. 2 passes, 60 centimeters of snow. Sometimes it's difficult just to get to where you're gonna start. The snow is deeper than our snowblower. I got as much as I could for you.
Okay.
As you can see, the rest I couldn't reach.
Okay.
So if you don't mind, rather than on the handicap spot, whatever you're gonna put it on the driveway side.
Yeah.
Not over there, okay? Because it's easier for me to get it here. From there I have to back scrape it.
I'll spread it out a little bit, okay?
On this side, on this side.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. On we go.